Hi friends, welcome back to Sindhu Study. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, we see our subject biology class 9 cell, its structure and function. Okay, cell is the base unit of life. Okay friends, in microscope, under the microscope we see cell membrane, cell wall in this type. Okay, first let's see one activity I explained. Okay, let's go. In last 8th class also have a activity. Okay, first peel an onion and cut out a small fleshy protein from the bulb. Okay, break this piece into two small parts. Okay, try to separate them slowly. You will notice a thin translucent membrane holding the piece together. Okay, take out membrane, cut a small piece from it and separate it evenly in a drop of water on a slide. While placing the peel on this slide, make sure that it not folded. Cover the slip. Cover the slip. Okay, and it observe in under microscope. Okay, observe the under microscope, and we were able to see in microscope cell membrane in this like and cell wall and cell membrane. We observe in microscope, we see cell membrane and cell wall and cell membrane in this like, and this is a cell wall and this is a cell plasma membrane. Cell membrane and plasma membrane. The cell membrane is also called as plasma membrane. Membrane. The plasma membrane is support the plant cell, proper shape and proper size. It also support the cell to receive whatever the substance required and allows whatever the substance seek out. That means plasma membrane and cell membrane acts as a celloplasma membrane. What it required, it can take, allows. What it required, can't take, it seek out. It highly support the cell to balance. Okay, you want to observe another example. Okay, you cell membrane along with the cell wall you kept some drops of a salt solution. Okay, another cell. Okay, so here what the cell membrane separate of this cell wall because of this salt solution. Cell membrane as well as the plasma membrane shake and separate of the cell wall. Okay, we see cell membrane. Okay, what happened with salt solution is kept in the cell membrane and plasma membrane, cell wall and cell membrane. What happened, that is separated because the plasma membrane shake and separate of the cell wall. Understand? And next we see the outermost layer is called cell wall and innermost layer is called cell wall and cell membrane. Okay, cell membrane is flexible shape, different shape and flexible. It mechanical support to the cell plant. Okay, that is main function of this cell. It made by means of a cellulose, one of the carbohydrates, sugar. Protoplasma is protected by the both cells. The protoplasma consists as cytoplasma. Protoplasm consists as cytoplasm along with the organs nucleus. Nucleus is a special cell organelle. Nucleus is a special cell organelle located inside the cell covered with the membrane is called nucleus membrane. Okay, is called nucleus membrane. And next see cell organelles. Okay, in this cell organelles two types. One, plant cell, and next animal cell. We see in plant cell what are there. Okay, first plant cell, animal cell. First we see plant cell. Cell membrane, cell wall, nucleus, mitochondria, blastocytes, ERO, Golgi bodies, and we will see animal cell, cell membrane. Okay, we will see in next cell membrane, nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes, lysosomes, ERO, Golgi bodies. Okay, and in this cell organisms we have two types, plant cell, animal cell. We have in this changes in these types 6, and we have plant cell in 6, we have animal cell 6. Okay, 12 organisms is present in cell organelles. And next we see difference between plant cell and animal cell. First we will discuss plant cell, and next we will discuss animal cell. Okay, plant cell and next animal cell. Plant cell have a raided cell wall. In animal cell no have no any cells, no raid cells. Okay, and next one, plastids are present in plant cells and plastids are absent in animal cells. Okay, and third point, lysosomes are absent in animal cell, centrosomes is there. Okay, in plant cell lysosomes are absent, but animal cells centrosome is present. Okay, present near the nucleus. Okay, near the nucleus. In centrosome is present near the nucleus. And next one, contain large and central vacuum. An animal cell lysosomes are present contains. Okay, thanks for watching. Please support the Sindhu study and like, share and subscribe to Sindhu study, and please press the bell icon.